Soundstripe.
Trauma insurance is often forgotten about in the suite of personal insurances, so let's take a few minutes to talk about it. So trauma insurance is a lump sum of money that's paid out to you on diagnosis of a critical condition. To claim on trauma insurance, you don't need to be part of the paid workforce, you don't need to die, and you may be expected to make a full recovery and you can still claim on the insurance. What type of conditions are covered under a trauma policy? It does vary from company to company, but to give you an idea, heart attack, cancer, stroke, coma, intensive care, loss of sight, loss of speech, deafness are just a few of the many list of conditions that can be claimed under a trauma policy. The most common claims for trauma are cancer and heart disease. So how much trauma insurance should you have? It really depends on your unique circumstances. However, you'd want to give some consideration to more than just what are my medical expenses going to be. You might want to consider replacement of household income. A good starting point would be 1 year of your living expenses or 1 year of your total household income. An example that I normally give is I live regionally, so I understand that there will be some conditions that I cannot have treated at my local hospital. Therefore, I might need to travel to my local capital city to receive treatment. If I was to go to the capital city to receive treatment, then I would want my partner there with me while I'm going through that. So we may end up with one household down there and then continuing our household up here. So it's things like that that should be considered more than just what are my medical expenses. In your circumstances, maybe you need to consider repayment of loans or even childcare costs. How long would it take to have your trauma claim paid? There's normally a 14-day wait, so that means after diagnosis, you would then have to wait 14 days before your claim could be approved. If you've just purchased your policy or it's a new policy, there may be an automatic 3-month wait on any claim, and that is dependent on the insurer. Another question I get asked all the time is, will the insurer actually pay? We've successfully claimed on multiple trauma policies for our clients. We've had payouts for melanomas for multiple people. We've had payouts for bowel cancer and esophageal cancer, just to name a few. We think trauma insurance is an integral part of your overall insurance strategy. So if you want to talk about trauma insurance, get in contact with us.